With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, in this given question, we need to arrange the following on the basis of their decreasing order of electronegativity's value. What is electronegativity? It is the properties of attracting the shared pair of electrons towards itself. So this is called as the electronegativity value. So how we are going to decide? So we are given the second period element, which are our, this is nitrogen, then we have oxygen, then we have fluorine, and one chlorine is also given. So these are the elements given to us. And now what we know is smaller is going to be the size, more is going to be effective nuclear charge. So if we talk about smaller size, then corresponding they are forming any bond. So if effective nuclear charge is going to be more, then it's going to somewhat attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. So that's the property of electronegativity, says that if an element is having high nuclear charge, then it's going to attract the shared pair of electron. So this is the reason, if electronegativity value is going to be more, then they are going to be attracting this shared pair of electron. Now let's look the general trend of the periodic table. So what is no? We know as we go along the period, correspondingly size reduces because of electrons are being added to the same shell, and general trend down the group, the correspondingly size increases because of increase in number of shell. So over here, this is the factor, size increases over here also, and as we go along the period, this is decreasing, and as we go down the group, this is also increasing. So we need to decide what is the correct order for them. So we can decide on the basis of general trend. So second period element are comparatively having smaller size than the third period element. So obviously their electronegativity value are also going to be high. So if we are also going value wise, so I am writing the values of electronegativities that has been found out. So fluorine, oxygen, then we have nitrogen and chlorine. So corresponding electronegativities values I am mentioning. So these are the values from the table I have written. So fluorine is having 3.98, oxygen is having 3.44, nitrogen is having 3.04, and chlorine is having 3.16. So what is the reason over here? This correspondingly size of nitrogen is going to be somewhat affecting the size of chlorine. So that's why it's going to have accepting the electron cloud very easily. So it's more electronegative than comparing to nitrogen. But on the general discussion, they are kept on the equal value. That means both are having the magnitude of nearly same, that is unit 3. So this is the reason. What is the correct order that comes out? So highest order will be electronegative will be fluorine, then we are having oxygen, then nitrogen and chlorine are going to be somewhat equal. So they are not going to be said to be generally more chlorine and more nitrogen. They are said to be equal in magnitude, but you go numerical data wise, then chlorine will be more. So over here we need to prefer from the following set of options. So the correct order comes out to be fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen just equivalent to chlorine. So this was the correct solution and the correction over here. So
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.